In today's digitalized world, tuition doesn't have to be restricted to rigid offline classes, and tuition shouldn't be a thing for the rich. At EFA, we believe in education for all. We want to make a difference and create something big. So how do we do it? With our online to offline strategy, we will provide high-quality online videos prepared by our star tutors, accessible to everyone. We also offer affordable offline tuition classes based on a team-based interactive teaching method that will bring a boring classroom alive. We are not your typical tuition center charging exorbitant premiums for our star tutors. We are an educational technology social enterprise that wants to disrupt and equalize this landscape. We believe education is the greatest equalizer, and education is for all. Think about your future, think EFA.